Ladies and gentlemen, this is our local barn find. We have the owner right here. What can you tell us about this old Firebird?
This old Firebird was bought. It's a 1989 Firebird. We bought it in Pittsburgh, originally for our daughter when she was going to go to Penn State to college. But Mama liked it way too much, so she kept it.
Nice.
And then eventually, when our son turned 16, he drove it. Yeah. He was a student at junior out of college. And then after that, he was in Pittsburgh working for Rite Aid, marketing assistant. And then it just came back to Mama after he was done with it. And it's been here ever since.
So from my understanding, one owner bought it straight from the dealer.
One owner, yep, straight from the dealer.
And 31 years later, it's here.
I know.
In excellent condition. No dents, no rips in the seat or the upholstery. You guys did an excellent job keeping this car, taking well care of. And it's a 5-speed manual,
yes,
which is
is
pretty rare.
And it goes.
Normally they're in automatic transmission, but it's a good looking car, and I'm glad you guys held it under a cover.
A car that I know you're going to enjoy, you're going to love once you get it running and cleaned up.
Yeah, we got to clean her up.
Yes.
Let's see what's under the hood. This is a 6 liter or a 6 V6, yes. 2.8 liter.
Correct.
A little cleaning is in order, and a battery.
A little bit, yeah.
But I'll put that in, and we'll see how it sounds whenever I start it up and put some new gas in it. How long do you think it's been sitting?
It's been at least 5 years since it hasn't been run.
All right, 5 years. Challenge accepted.
Yes. I can't wait to see you come back in it. Yeah, come down the road.
Polish up the paint.
Yeah.
Nice white.
Just a good clean and a good polish, and I know you're gonna love it. I know. I loved it.
All right, we'll see how it turns out.
Many years.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's got some flaking and some rusting here, but nothing too bad. That is a good condition, great looking Firebird. Fire chicken. Some mold in here a little bit and scrub out. Dash is in excellent condition. Check this out. The original owner's manual, the dealer fuse from shipping, and the original window sticker. How cool is that? See the price out right there. 27 miles to the gallon on the highway, 18 city. Rally gauges intact. Rally tuned suspension. This thing's a race car. Even maintenance records. Good God. Now that we have the car, it's time to do a little shopping to siphon out the gas, get a new battery, and some cleaning supplies to clean the interior up a little bit, and the exterior of it, of course. First things first, gotta get this battery installed. I think this car has internet dial-up still. That's pretty cool. Alright, the car is now on a hard surface. So what I'll do is next video, I will give it a good bath, a good wash, and see what needs to be polished or if the rust is really bad. So I'll check it out here. Once it's clean and clean out the windows, detail the interior really well. See how good it turns out.